Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on my computer. Tutorial 26, switching between communities. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or a business. We are now ready to start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to the bottom, click on Explore all the applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's just now wait for this to load. Once that has loaded, we are ready to switch to communities. If we go to the left-hand side navigation menu, now let's just click on All Company within My Communities. If I were to switch to, let's just say, Computer Science Videos, we can do that two ways. Let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu again, click on Computer Science Videos. If I were to go back to All Company, I can go to the search box, click on Computer Science Videos, go to All Yammer. This would then allow me to make a search for All Company and Computer Science Videos and all the other people that are part of these communities. So let's just go back to All Company for the moment. Now let's click on All Company, click on All Yammer. We can navigate to Computer Science Videos within that search box. So that's how you switch communities using two ways, from the search box and from the left-hand side navigation menu. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.